Hi guys, let's learn a quick tip of joining lines in a very cool and nice way. Say I draw anything with a pen tool or whichever tool may be, and I leave it open like that. Now as we know, to join you can select the two ends, so you can hold down the anchor points and press shift to select them both, or you can just drag over them with the direct selection tool. You can drag over them both and I'll select those two, and then you can press the shortcut Control or Command J, that'll join those lines. So that's a very quick and easy way. But what happens if your line is actually curved? So let's just create a curved line. So I've got this weird curved shape, whatever it may be here, and I want to join it with this other piece here. And as you can see, once it's joined, then it becomes like a straight line and it spoils the effect of the image. I'll have to adjust it there and change that and all of that. Or instead of that, you've got a cooler option. You go to this curvature tool, and as you can see, it already connects to that tool because I selected the tool, so it connects, and then I can just join it that way. Or if I want, I can just press and hold the last anchor point and drag it into that anchor point. That'll join the tool, and now it's a filled closed tool in a very smooth, nice way because it's the curvature tool. So that was a very quick and easy tip. I hope you enjoyed it. If you gained anything, please give a like and subscribe. Also, if you have any comments, questions, ideas, or anything you want to share, just feel free to leave it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.